Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying power and connections. First, make sure the case has some charge. Check the LED or the battery widget on your phone. Once done, swap the cable and adapter to rule out a bad charger and try a different outlet. You want to eliminate external power issues early. Then open the case and visually inspect the Lightning or USB-C port and the contact pins. Remove obvious lint carefully so the physical connection can work as intended. Now focus on the internal connection and software. Carefully clean the case charge contacts with a slightly damp 70% isopropyl swab, then dry. This removes corrosion and oils that block charging. Next, use a toothpick or soft brush to dislodge lint from the earbud wells. Gentle pressure only. Once clean, reseat both Airpods and perform a reset by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED changes. This clears pairing glitches that can stop charging behavior. Finish by testing under controlled conditions. Plug in a verified good cable and adapter and let the case charge for 30 minutes while closed. Then place the Airpods back in and check the LED and phone battery indicator. If one bud charges and the other does not, isolate the faulty piece by charging them individually. If neither charges after all steps, inspect for physical or liquid damage. If present or unresolved, contact Apple or an authorized repair center for battery or part replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.